Alright guys, this is another one we picked up, and you want to talk about cheap. Go buy a 12-year-old Volkswagen CC. You want to talk about something that's cheap. These damn things are cheap. And there's a reason for that. And if you know anything about cars or know anything about VWs, you know what I'm talking about here. This is a 2-owner car that has been, the maintenance on it is stupid insane. It's in pretty good condition now, but we got it really cheap. And there's one or two reasons why. But let me go over a few things. We do have a busted fog light, broken. We do have Michelin tires all the way around. We got great service history. But this thing is throwing a code for the PVC valve, which I'm going to try and fix myself here in a little while. But it's just a clean car, except something is going on here with this door. And the further you go down the door, it seems like it matches a little bit better. Now, we don't know if that is just a real bad repair and respray, or if someone actually went and found a good used door and replaced a damaged door. But as you can see, it is horribly mismatched. Horribly. But I put cardboard out to see if it was leaking any oil. And as you can see, it's not. It's been sitting out there for overnight after driving this thing last night. So let's take her for a spin. Like I said, she's throwing a code for that PVC, but this thing is clean, guys. Good looking interior, not ass whipped on, pretty loaded up. It's got some sporty seats. These things are nice. It's just a good clean rig. No stains. You take the key and you slide it right. Well, shit. So damn shaky. Ooh, there goes the windows. All right, she fires up. We do have a light bulb out as well. Got a pretty good sound system. My God. Yeah, the sound system, this thing rocks. We do not need any climate control. All right. Now, I had cleared the check engine light on this thing. I want to see if it stays off while we go for a little test drive. With it, when it's cold, like right now, you notice just a little lumpiness in the idle. So you know something's going on. But once this thing gets moving and rolling, y'all, it runs perfect and is powerful and smooth. It really is. So I really would like to get to the bottom of this little PVC thing, because this might be a good replacement car for the Azera. I think I've got a buyer for the Azera tomorrow. I put it up for sale last night, and I've just got people blowing me up. It is a little beat up and got some body damage, but I priced it pretty cheap. And I'm just looking for something that would be decent to get my wife around in for a couple of years. I don't know if a Volkswagen CC is quite what I'm looking for. But this one is just so good. The DSG shift's perfect. It has 177,000 miles, so it's not like a low mile beauty queen. Oh, that ain't my car. That's a terrible Ford Explorer next to us. Anyway, let's get on the interstate. I'll get back with you. check engine light yet, but that doesn't mean the problem goes away just because you clear the light. But I really do think that's what it is, that PVC valve. I need to, I'm going to go by the AutoZone or the O'Reilly's and see if that's something they might have. I doubt they do, but I need to pick up a couple of things anyway, so I'll go by there and at least ask while I'm picking up my other items. Got pretty cold AC. It doesn't blow super hard, so I'm going to check the cabin filter that I imagine is in that glove box behind it somewhere. Because I got cold air, but it's just not blowing out very hard. So I bet you $10 that darn cabin filter hasn't been changed in eons, if ever. If ever. I run into so many cars that they've never been changed in. Gal's a little cruiser, man. Highway sweetheart. I mean, just rock solid. I mean, this steering in this thing feels like it weighs 2 tons, which I like that feeling on the interstate, you know, real secure. You don't want loosey-goosey steering on the freeway, you know. Man, I like that old Audi A6. Man, that makes me miss my old wagon. I had a 2006 A6 Avant like that wagon. Man, that was a great car. Only reason I sold it was because it needed a timing chain. And oh, a timing chain on that version of the A6, the 2005 through about 2009 or 10. It's an engine out repair. It cost about $4,000 to $6,000. So I sold that baby. Anyway, 2010 Volkswagen CC, guys. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Views are going up. Subscribers are going up. We're growing. And I appreciate it so much. So throw your comment below, throw a like. It all helps. It all helps. Even a dislike. And I just appreciate y'all. We'll see you next time. Peace.